Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another planner layout, and this is for me the week of March the 23rd through March the 29th. And of course I am using my LOL paper pad, and I am using one of my Rongrong stamps, because this is from the Rongrong Happy Planner. I'll be using her and probably a couple stickers from there, as well as a couple of my Agenda 21 stamps from Hobby Lobby as well. In case you haven't seen my planner, this is the Happy Planner that I've been working out of. So, first and foremost, I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule today to even check out my video. I greatly appreciate that. So, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I'm praying everyone is safe and families are safe during this time. I know it can be very stressful. And I am just going to do a couple layouts, I think. I think this is how I want to do it. Okay, I think I'm going to do that there. And that there. I think that's how I want to do it. And then that one over there. Yeah. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then this one, because the words are on it, I have to make sure I check my correct orientation. And sorry. So, you know, we are not working this week. Well, we're closed for 2 weeks, but I am working. And my staff is doing a little bit of work too. Not a lot, but we have to do some reporting to the state, so even though we're off, we're closed, we still have to kind of work. So that's a bummer in a sense, but I'm glad I have a job, so boom. I'm thankful that they're paying us and that we can be home. So I'm very grateful and thankful for that. I'm praying that people have their needs met. So these I have to make sure they go in the correct orientation. And so these are cut out with my Happy Planner punch, so that way they actually fit. I don't have to trim them, and you don't have to use your paper pad. I'm just trying to use up my paper pads and trying to make sure I get a lot of paper, especially if I have it in a 12 by 12. So on my other channel, Dare to Be Creative, one word, you know, I do more hauls and I do other scrapbook projects as well. Some of you guys have come from over on that channel. Check me out over here. But I thought I'd do this channel to make me use up my planners. Make sure I take the time to stay consistent. Because I've done these planners before and I never finish them. I hope I can finish this year, but this year is a different year. I don't even know that's going to happen, but I'm trying to be consistent. Oops. Sorry if I hit the camera. Oops, see, you're going to put that upside down. Boom. And let's see, I had another one. Yeah. Hopefully you guys had a chance to get to the grocery store and get your basic needs met. And I know every state is different and you know where you're at. So that's going to be my initial layout. And I am going to use her. She's the one I just showed you from this stamp set right here. I colored and frostly cut her out. I am going to glue her down. And usually this little bit of glue doesn't warp the page. But should have put it down after I put down my washi, but that's okay. Should be fine. Should just be above the washi. So I'm going to use some washis, 3 different ones. I'm going to use the skinny one on the middle. I'm going to use this on the top and this on the bottom. And this says, Big Plans. So I'm going to use this is not that wide, but I'm going to use this one on the top. It's got green, so I'm bringing in the color green. And it also has black and white. Where did my X-Acto knife go? Here we are. Boom. Let's see. Good. Okay. I'm going to use this one across here as well. Oops. It didn't stay down. And I hope I am in screen, in view. Okay. Just going to use that one on the top row, I believe. And I think I'm going to use this this one I think was a misprint, like they cut it wrong. But I'm going to use it just to use it up. If I can find where it starts. The inner ring has come out. Okay, I can't find it. Gonna have to cut it. There we go. It's really skinny. So this is just going to add just a tiny, tiny pop of color in between the layers. And what this roll is, it has the girls up here and they're drinking coffee, I think, on this one. One thing I hate about washi, sometimes they don't stick. It doesn't stick and you have to actually use glue. Like on the last page, I use glue to keep the washi down. I hate that. I don't know why the tape, they don't make the tape with the right tack or something. I don't know what the deal is with that. Alrighty, so now I'm going to use, my inner row came out, this black, which I think I've used this one before. Doesn't have the best tack on it, so I may have to come back and put some glue on it. Just down the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna put anything on the sides. I have had a chance to catch up on some of my Netflix, some movie watching. Of course, I'm a night owl, so I stay up really late, which is the worst for me being home because it just throws off my schedule. Alright, so that is basically the layout, and I am going to put in a few stamps. So from the stamp collections that I just showed you. So this one says, no Mondays. Thank God for Monday, because we didn't have Mondays, we wouldn't have the week. But and hopefully I'm not shaking this too much. But I'm going to put that right there. And this one is, it is so hard to keep with the days of the week when you're off work. Ugh. This is a busy week with reports and stuff that have to be done, deadlines, answering questions. So again, like I said, most of these just come from my Hobby Lobby stamp collection. Alrighty, let's see. Let's put some to-do things because I do have some to do. And I will, of course, write those in later after I okay, and then I think I'm going to add, let's see, add calls and emails and follow-ups. A lot of that this week. Got a call on Friday. Tons of emails. Oh my gosh. Every day there's a ton of emails that have to get done. Okay, and then I have some follow-ups I have to do. Reports that I gotta get done on my off week that I'm not supposed to be working. Like I said, I am truly thankful that I even have to do something on the weekend to be able to get paid and work. So I do pray for those who are going through a lot of economic things right now. This is definitely a trying time for everyone. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna use this focus. And then that, I think, is gonna be part of my ending. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull it up and bring it a little closer so you can have a close-up. So I will be... So real quick, this is up close of March the 23rd to March the 29th, and here are up close. You can see the stamping. And then I still have some space where I can go in and write some comments. And you can see my little Rongrong girl that's been colored by my Spectrum Noir and my stamps that I used. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. You be safe and take care. God bless. Bye-bye.